Hello, sir. Meron naman dito. Ngayon daw po ng Lagos Border. Tapa.
Ang gulo-gulo. Hey, hey, hey. Likot-likot.
Ano ba? Pinapatuloy ko.
Gusto niya yung phone. I know. Na gusto niya yung phone. Oh. Hi. Hello, Anuk. Anuk, kusinat. Do you speak English? Yeah, I can speak English, but just a little bit. Not that much. Not that fluent to speak in English. Where you came from? Ano? Kusinat? I am speaking it right? Do I pronouncing it right? Thank you. How are you? Thank you for watching, Mr. Anok. Is it Mr. or Miss? I didn't know. Thank you so much. This is what she loves. I'm going to like. Thank you. This is what Happy likes. Thanks for the like. She loves scratching her neck, her head, playing the phone also. Your parrot is cute. Thank you so much. It seems like what is that again? It seems like Pokemon. Some others say it seems like Pokemon because it's yellow and has a blush and yeah, Pikachu. Seems like Pikachu. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching. That's what she loves. She loves the phone. She loves playing the phone. Hi. Hi. Thank you everyone. Yeah. Yeah, thanks
Tol. Tol.
14 people are
Ito
watching.
naman.
Thank you so much.
Yung BC natin, pwede pa ba bukas? May patoka pa tayo hanggang bukas?
Meron pa.
Oo, kasi kulang sila ng truck. Kaya pa,
Pwede pa.
pwede ba bukas? Ah, sige. Pabukas ko na lang deliver talaga. Kaya kamusta na dyan? Punta ko dyan bukas.
Ah,
Punta ko dyan bukas.
Her name is Happy.
Thank you.
sige.
Happy the Cockatail. Thank you so much for thank you so much. You came back. Her name is Happy. She's a cockatail. Do you have a pet too? Do you have a bird? Cute name. Oh, thank you so much. Such a cute name. How do I speak that? How do I pronounce this? I didn't know. So you get most of the subscribers from live stream? No. I seldom having a live stream since sometimes I'm busy. So that's why I seldom having a live streaming. How do I pronounce that? Is that the other one? John Nathan Alejado, your parrot is so cute. Thank you so much, John Nathan Alejado. Maraming salamat po. Anok Wasinat, is that correct? Do you have a YouTube channel? I wish I had a bird, but I'm living in the Philippines and it's illegal. If you have papers, it's not illegal. Ano pong pangalan? Hindi ko ma-pronounce. PST? Edward Maliki? I didn't know how to pronounce that. Your parrot is so cute. I'm subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm going. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming, John Nathan Alojado. Maraming salamat po. Edward, subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing, Sir Edward. Thank you so much for subscribing. Ano ko sinar? Do you have a YouTube channel? OMG, Pilipino. Ikaw, yeah. Pilipino po ako. Kabayan. Can you moderator me? I'm fine. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, I forgot for the moderator. Oh, yeah. Moderator. Yeah, sorry. I forgot. That's what you love. Playing the phone. Actually, we also have a kitten here. Pero pinasok ko lang. Thanks. Hey, where are you na? Scratching. Ayan ang gusto niya. She loves to scratch her neck. Hi, say hi. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my live stream. I'm busy, so sometimes I can't upload. Soon I'll be uploading a video when Happy is already is still a baby, really a baby. I'm going. Okay, take care po. Thank you so much. Take care. You might donate $2. Yeah. Thank you so much for donating $2 for Happy for her bird seeds. Such a big help. Thank you so much. How old is my parrot? I forgot how old. Maybe 1 year old. 1 year old. She's 1 year old. When was that? I think that was by April. I didn't know. I forgot. But
I think that's June.
June, yeah. She's 1 year old now.
Oops.
Bird seeds. She eats bird seeds. She doesn't like banana.
May. Ayun, Chida. Oh, tapa mo pa.
She's cleaning. Are you going to take a bath? Happy? Wow, she's baby and so cute. Yeah, thank you so much. I might leave. Okay, take care. Thank you so much again for coming. Thank you so much for watching my live stream. Thank you, Sir Anok Wasinar. I really don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Yeah. Yeah. She deserves that. She deserves to be happy. She deserves to be free. So sometimes she's just here around our house, flying around. She's free. Yeah. She deserves that. She's playing. Back. Thank you. Welcome back. Thank you guys for watching. Hello, 11 people there. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for the support for our little happy, our cute cockatiel. Let me drink something. Wait. Okay, sure. Can you make crown next to my moderator? That's my favorite. Crown, how could I do that? How? I didn't know. Maybe it's because of the top engager or top funds. So that's why they have a crown. I saw someone got. I really don't know. Maybe it's top fund, I think. It's written there on my screen. It's a top funds. So that's why they have a crown. The number one is... Who's that again? I saw someone got. I really don't know. Because it's maybe because they are top funds. So that's why they got crowns. I didn't do something. Hey, you wanna take a bath? What are you doing, Happy? Edward, you mean this? Yeah, the crown. That's what maybe. You wanna take a bath, Happy? Dad. Okay, come here. You wanna take a bath? Okay. Just wait. Hey, just wait. She's there on my back. She's there on my back. Hi, Happy. You want to drink water? So cool. Thank you. I'm subscribed. Thank you so much. Wanna drink water, Happy? Hello, Maria. Thank you so much po. Wanna drink, Happy? Oh, come here. Ah, she's there in my back. She just got there in my back. Hi. Come here. Hey. Come here. Happy, come. Come here. Come to mommy. Ouch. Hey, come here. Come here. Ay, she don't want. Is John number one? Let me see. I have to check it out. Oh no. What? Sister's name. Her name is my name. My name is Lorna, and the name of our our cockatiel is Happy. I think she's not happy because she's biting me. Hey, come here. Why you don't want? Moderator? Why? So cute. Thank you so much, Maria. Her name is Happy. I hope that she's happy. Come here. Happy, come. Oh, really? You're the... Hey. Number 3, but it's okay. Oh, yeah. You're number 3. Thank you. Thanks for the crown. You're at Alphonse. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm gonna go swim. I'm in Italy. Oh, enjoy. I'm watching your old video. Thank you so much, Maria. So much appreciated. Thank you so much. It's 50 degrees. OMG. Bye. You take care. And enjoy your swimming. Enjoy Anuk Wasinad. I hope really I can pronounce it properly. Hey, come here. Why you don't want? Ouch. Ah. Kunin mo nga. Ayaw magpatanggal. Oh. There you go. She's back at her dad. Is John here? Check. John. Yeah, he's around. John. Bye. You take care. Mr. Ano Pasinoran, enjoy your swimming. Edward, thank you for staying in my life. So cutie. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you so much for watching always all my videos. Anyone let's make Lorna to 1,000 views. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciated. So much appreciated. Happy. Thank you so much, Edward. Where are you from, guys? Hello, Maria. Where are you from? Hello, Sir Edward. Where are you from? Sir Anup, where are you from? Oh yeah, Sir Anup is already, he live already. I have to sit down. I might get from America. Oh, yes, baby. Okay. What time is it there? UK. Oh, I wish I could go there in UK. That's what my dreams. That was before, but of course now. Hey, why? Yeah, United Kingdom. I have a friend before that was Robert Mandeville from UK too. What time is it there now, Mr. Edward? Thank you so much, Sir Edward. I already got it's that simply namin sa buto. So, I might get copyright. I have to mute it. I might get copyrighted because of the television. It's cool, and anyone call that Eastbourne. Oh, I see. Hi, Sir Edward. Thank you for watching, Sir Edward. Cool. Hi. 5 days I'm going to New York with my mom. My mom is 74. Oh, thank you everyone for watching. Hello, 16 people out there. She wanted to scratch. Sir Edward, how old are you already? Hello, Maria, how old are you already? She heard the sound from the lizard, so that's why she stopped. Why? That's what she loves. Scratching her neck. Scratching her head. Flying around. Playing a phone. Pooping her head. That's all she loves. Why? Daddy, stop. I'll be ending my live soon. Oh, somebody's calling. Estelita Sopran is calling. Later, Nanay Este. I'm on my live. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, spreading your wings. Come here. You stay here, oh. Here, oh. Dali, at the phone. There's the phone there. Dali. Asan na yung laruan pala neto? Alisin mga daddy, parang snake. Takot pala. They're so malikot. I'll be ending my live soon. My live. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying, guys. God bless everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. You take care, ha? You take care, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. So much appreciated for coming my live. For supporting my live stream. And, of course, Happy the Cutie. Thank you, thank you. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.